Hello kids and welcome back to our art and craft class. Today in our art and craft class we are going to make aeroplane by using paper. Yes, isn't it sounds interesting? So first let me ask you some questions. Tell me which alphabet aeroplane begins with? Yes, A. You are right. And the phonetic sound of A is A. Yes. So kids, shall we start making aeroplane now? So let's begin. Kids, we need only color paper. You can take any color paper. I'm taking green color. Kids, if you want to make small size aeroplane like me, you can just cut the extra part of the paper. See how I'm doing it? You can make big size aeroplane too. Use scale to cut the extra part of the paper. See? Okay kids, after cutting it, see it will look in this way. Kids, tell me which shape it is? Yes, square. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to fold the paper into half in this way. See? Look at carefully how I'm doing it. Then we're going to turn over the paper and fold the right side of the paper to the middle in this way. See? And then the left side. See kids, it will look in this way. Now, we are going to fold the paper into half in this way. Let me show you again. Fold it in this way. See? Next, we are going to do is, we are going to fold the paper to downwards in this way. See, the edge should be pointy. In the same way we're going to do the other side. The edge should be pointy. Let me show you again. Kids, after folding it, we're going to fold one more time to the downwards. See? In this way. We're going to do the same to the other side. Kids, now your aeroplane is ready to fly. You can make as many as you like. So kids, bye.